Hello, here is the Small Business Workspace, a Notion template you can find at Notion Marketplace. This series of videos are going to show you how to start using this template to manage and trace operations, tasks, and goals in your small business. The first step to use this workspace is to register your suppliers and supplier items. The fields are very straightforward to fill. This is necessary to register your first purchase operations and add items to your stock. Here you can see where your suppliers are in the map. This may help somehow for logist aspects. I'm going to create another supplier, well, just to have two suppliers. And now, let's register items for these suppliers. This can be done in the Supplier Items database. You can find a shortcut of related databases in each page. Just add a new line to the database and fill the fields. Now we still need to create our SKU number for this item. This can be done at Stock Materials database. You will find a lot of extra information needed in this database. Most of this information is related to sale orders and production orders. But in this case, we are creating a product where we will probably resell. I'm just changing the currency to US dollar first. Don't worry about bill of material database by now. It will be explained with details in next videos. Okay, finally, I found it. Add a new line in the database and auto-generate your SKU number. This is optional, but strongly recommended since the increment is done automatically. The type of item will be product, because by convention, this is the kind of item that is used in sale orders. It is recommended to fill min stock and last buy fields before using this item. Also, update last buy field before each purchase operation. Well, I'm going to stop by now, and in the next video I'm going to locate and create a purchase operation. It will generate stock movements and increase the quantity of this item in your stock. I hope this workspace will fit to your business, and see you in the next video. Thanks.